Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to host a podcast on Squarespace in 2024. So we're exploring the excited world of podcasting, how to post a podcast on Squarespace in 2024. Specifically, so Squarespace offers a user-friendly platform that allows you not to create just a stunning website, but also seamlessly host and manage your podcast. So stick around as I guide you through the step-by-step or the process of doing so. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and create a Squarespace account. To do so, go on to whatever website you're going to use. For me, as example, I'm going to use like Brave browser, and of course, in your case, it could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, just go to the URL section, simply type Squarespace com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen of their website. If it's your first time, instead of my icon in here, you'll find the login option. Click on it to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, click on get started at the top right corner or here on the middle to log in to create a new account if you don't have one. If you have an account that you already logged in, you'll find your icon in here. If you don't, you'll find a login option instead. Let me just go and show you let me just go and show you as example. So go to Squarespace as example in a private tab and you'll find the login option like this. Of course, if you don't know nothing about Squarespace, you can simply scroll down to read more information about this website. You'll find here some frequently asked questions that I'll just open them and you can see the pause the video and read the answer. I'll just open those out also. So for you, just scroll down to read more information about this website and familiarize yourself with it more and more before even create your account. Once you log in into your account or create an account, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Now, of course, you can go and create a new website for your own. Of course, to create a website, once you are on the dashboard, just go to the top right corner, click on create a website. Now, once, of course, you do so, here you will have to start looking for the type of the website that you want to create. Is it online store, portfolio, membership, blog, scheduling, one-page courses, or services? Popular design. All templates are design, photography, health and beauty, personal CV. And here you have a lot of other stuff. Of course, you can even build your own templates if you want to start from scratch and do everything by your own. A lot of people decide or prefer to do that by their own. Maybe they are good at it or they like things go as or appear as they want as should suit their needs. So just to choose from, of course, from here the theme that you want. Let's say as an example, I don't know here. I'll just look for maybe a scheduling. The podcast could be a scheduling page or theme. So let's just go here and choose this theme as example. And of course, they will offer a lot of variation that you can choose for your website. Of course, this variation will just change the colors of their websites. So look for the variation that you want. You can view demo sites or simply start with the design right away. Once you click on start with the design, as you can see, they will set up things. You will have to wait a bit. Once it is right here, you'll have to simply go and add the page for your WordPress, of course. Sorry, not WordPress, Squarespace like podcast. So the title will be like, I don't know, I'll just type Omics like podcasts. Like, why not? So podcasts as example and click on next. As example, you'll be able to edit pages, create pages, and even style your site. So click on get started. An example, you'll be able to click on websites here. And in these pages, you'll be able to add a lot of pages. So you find here system pages as an example, website tools as an example. And other than that, you'll be able to add some pages. So you'll be able to add whatever pages you want. Of course, you can for you go and add your page for your podcast. You go to add a new page. Of course, this could be in main navigation, not linked if you want to, whatever wherever you want. And of course, once you create a new page, make sure that this page is going to be specifically for your podcast. This will serve as the hub for your episodes and other podcast related content. Of course, it could be a blank page, page layout, scheduling, or a blog, store, portfolio, events, videos, courses, whatever you want. You can even link to pages or external sites. As an example, if you want to link your Shopify, sorry, not Shopify, like Spotify, if you want to do any other stuff, of course, you'll be able to do so. So if you click here on link, as an example, so the link title, as example, link to my Spotify podcast channel as example. So channel, why not? And scores Spotify. And yeah, of course, you'll have then to type the link in here. So https two dot two slashes. So Spotify.com and slash, of course, your username and name. So for me, I'll just type Omix. Of course, it's not like existing, but it's fine. I'll just go here and click on save. And as you can see, you'll find this page added. Of course, you can scroll down and you will find it right away there. Of course, you can simply go and click on edit if you want to edit like more the appearance of those pages. You'll be able to edit everything that you want. So click on whatever you want. You'll be able to remove some sections, edit sections, change like I don't know, the colors and etc. You'll be able to see how it's viewed in the desktop, how it's viewed in the mobile phone. You'll be able to use or to do a lot of stuff that you want to. So simply just go and check all of that, of course. And once you finish all your saves and your changes and customizations, just go and click on save, and you will be good to go. Now you can exit that, and of course you'll be now good to go. Of course, you can always go and click on this page in here and click on settings to edit everything that you want about it. So discard, and of course you can change the location of it wherever you wanna have it. You'll be able to do a lot of stuff with this. Of course, you can even like put this in the middle, whatever you want. So that's all you now. So as an example here, link to my Spotify podcast. If people click on it, they will be taken here. Of course, as I said before, I just type some random URL. That's why it will not be taken anywhere. But of course, if you have like the perfect URL, you can simply go to your Spotify, get the URL from there, enter that URL in here, and you will be good to go. So for me, I'll just remove this as an example and click on save. So people will be taken to Spotify right away. So if I click in here as an example, okay, it's still the same. So I'll have just to go and refresh. Why not? And go and click in here again. Let's see. Yeah, it's saved. So if I click in here, so yeah, I'll be taken to Spotify as example. So it depends on the URL that you entered. You will be able to be taken, of course, on the URL that you, of course, entered that there. That's if you want to link your Spotify. If you don't, just go and create new pages, and you can, of course, upload your podcast there. You can upload and manage episodes from there. As example, upload as many videos or as many audios as you want, as you broadcast. If you don't want to link your Spotify podcast or something like that, and you can submit your podcast even to Apple Podcasts, to Spotify if you didn't yet, and you can configure some podcast settings, promote your podcast, as example, on social media channels and other platforms. You can encourage like listeners to subscribe and leave some reviews. You can use the Squarespace marketing tools, as example. To do so, you'll be able to do it, and here you don't have to go and do it anywhere else. And there you have it. You successfully learned how to host a podcast on Squarespace, either by linking your Spotify account or any other account, or by, of course, uploading your audios right here. Of course, how to upload the audio is very simple. Like you can go and click on edit, and you can go, as example, click on add a block, and make sure it's an audio, and make sure to simply go and add your podcast audio right here. Select the file from your PC, as simple as that, and you'll upload the file from your PC, and you'll be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.